Now then, people, I hope you are happy, smiling and laughing wherever you are. Today's episode of the Bosh Boys vlog is coming at you from the back of a taxi where Ian and I are sat in gloomy weather. It's raining outside on our way to Harper Collins.
They're hosting an evening for independent book retailers, and Henry and I are going down to talk to the independent book retailers about the BOSH cookbook. We've spent most of this morning and a good portion of this afternoon cooking some wonderful desserts for these guys. We've made fantastic cupcakes and the big BOSH brownie lasagna.
What we haven't quite worked out yet, though, is what we're actually going to talk about. So we've got about 5 minutes to work out what our talk's going to be. Ready? Ready. This is the Harper Collins building, and we've just been meeting with the guys from Harper Collins.
Hi.
Now we're going to go and do our talk, which we've been preparing, but we just had some really cool news about the cookbook.
Sales are flying on Amazon. It's been discounted, which is really rare and very, very good sign that it's going to be a big thing.
We hit like number 3 out of all UK releases on Amazon. That is amazing. The book's already sold thousands, so we're really hyped about that. And now we've just got to keep on the work to try and get the book as far and wide as we can. But now we've got a talk to do. So we're currently lost in the Harper Collins building. We even lost Ian because he just walked ahead, and now we don't know where to go for our talk, which is in 3 minutes. Hello everyone. I'm Henry.
I'm Ian. How you guys doing?
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Bye guys. Thank you.
Okay, so you've just seen a whole bunch of treats. Henry and I were slaving over them this morning. We have maple banana cupcakes that were featured on Sunday brunch. They are super, super tasty. That cream is like, I would say it's the best icing sugar that we've made thus far, because we've got toasted pecans blended in with the buttercream, and it's amazing, right? And then these buggers here, look at them. These are super next level tasty business, and this is the big BOSH brownie lasagna. Brownie base, peanut butter caramel straight under. Then you got a crispy bit, which is Rice Krispies, quite simple. And then the top bit, ganache, which is cocoa, maple syrup, and coconut oil. Super tasty business, right?
So tasty. Highly recommend those. Now we're just going to mingle a little bit, chat to the retailers, and have a few beers.
Talking about beers, let's go and get one right now.
Go find a beer. Rachel Kenny, our publisher. Editor?
I guess editor, or publisher sounds better.
She's an absolute legend. She's been with us all the way through the process of making this cookbook.
Yeah.
And she's now enjoying a BOSH cupcake.
We have been Kingston and Henry Firth, who are together BOSH.
Well, that was nice.
That was lovely.
We got a little big up.
Yeah, a pretty big up, man. That was decent. We genuinely went, had a few Jaeger bombs with him one time, which is cool.
Phil just tried one of our chocolate brownie lasagna things. The big BOSH chocolate lasagna.
It was delicious. I have been a vegan for 4 months now, and I haven't had anything that good since I went vegan, so I will be getting the BOSH.
That's it, our night is over. We've had loads of fun at the Harper Collins Indies night, meeting loads of independent retailers and just making friends.
All the independent retailers seem super stoked by BOSH and plant-based food in general. And look at how beautiful London is. Check this out. So from this cold London night, this is the end of this vlog. And if you've enjoyed it, you should subscribe because we're gonna do loads more.
If you're feeling this video, hit like. It helps more people see our content. And if you've got any feedback, any thoughts, whack a comment. We're gonna respond. We love you. We can't wait to see you again. Till next time. BOSH!